Welcome to my YouTube channel VK Classes. We are studying passing package of class 10th science carbon and its compounds. Here question number 25. Write the functional groups of alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Functional group of alcohol is ROH. Aldehydes are CHO. Ketones CO. Carboxylic acid COOH. Here R stands for carbon compounds. We need to give concentration towards ketone formula. We should write carbon compounds before and after, and CO of ketone functional group should be wrote in middle. Question number 26. Write the difference between alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. So let us see first one, alkanes. These have carbon to carbon single bonds. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2. They are saturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes. These have carbon-carbon double bonds along with single bond. These general formula is CnH2n. They are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkynes. These have at least one carbon compounds in triple bond, remaining continue with single bond. Their general formula is CnH2n minus 2. They are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Question number 27. Define oxidation with the chemical equation oxidation of alcohol. The process of addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Here, alcohols can be oxidized by heating them in presence of oxidizing agent. What are oxidizing agent? The substance which provides oxygen to other substances are called oxidizing agent. Here, the alkaline potassium permanganate and the acidified potassium dichromate are good oxidizing agents. Question number 28. Mention 4 differences between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Let's see first one, saturated hydrocarbons. Here only single bond is present in between carbon to carbon atoms. Second one, saturated hydrocarbons makes substitution types of reactions. Saturated hydrocarbons burns with blue flame. Saturated hydrocarbons are less reactive. Let's see unsaturated hydrocarbons. First one, double or triple bond is present in between carbon-carbon atoms. Unsaturated hydrocarbons makes addition types of reaction. Unsaturated hydrocarbons burns with shooty flame, and unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. Question number 29. Write the molecular formula and structural formula of methane, ethane, propane and butane. Let's see in the table. First one, name of alkane, molecular formula and its structural formula. First one, methane. Its molecular formula is CH4, where one carbon can share with 4 hydrogen atom. Ethane, C2H6, the 2 carbon get shared with 6 hydrogen in its structural formula, whereas propane, its molecular formula is C3H8, the 3 carbons shared with 8 hydrogens. Butane, C4H10, its molecular formula, and its structural formula is carbon. 4 carbon atoms are linked in chain system and the 10 hydrogens are shared respectively with single bond. Please subscribe my channel VK Classes and keep supporting. Question number 30. Write the molecular formula and structural formula of ethene, propene and butene. First, ethene. Its molecular formula is C2H4, where the carbon and carbon, two carbons are shared with double bond and four hydrogens are shared in between two carbon atoms. Propene. Its molecular formula is C3H6, where the carbon-carbon are made chain catenation, one carbon have double bond here and they are shared respectively 6 hydrogen with 3 carbon atoms. Butene. Its molecular formula is C4H8, where the 4 carbon atoms are arranged in chain and one carbon atom have double bond and they shared 8 hydrogen atoms in between 4 carbon atoms. Question number 31. Write the molecular formula and structural formula of ethyne, propyne and butane also. So, first ethyne. Its molecular formula is C2H2, where the structural formula is the carbon-carbon have triple bond and 2 carbons shared with only 2 hydrogens respectively. Propyne. Its molecular formula is C3H4, where the 3 carbon atoms are shared in chain system of catenation and here the in between carbon and carbon must have triple bond and 3 carbon atoms shared with 4 hydrogen respectively. Butane. C4H8. Its molecular formula and the 4 carbon atoms and 1 carbon have triple bond and they shared 6 hydrogens respectively. Here the small correction 6. Question number 32. What is addition reaction? Reactions which a simple molecule added to unsaturated compounds to form a single product are called addition reaction. Here the unsaturated carbon compounds where a reagent as catalyst of nickel mix or adds the hydrogen atoms to make single or saturated carbon compounds. Question number 33. What is substitution reaction? Give example. Reaction which involve the direct replacement means displacement or substitutions of an atom or a group of atoms in organic molecule by another atom or group of atoms without any change the rest of molecules are called substitution reaction. Here methane get substituted with chlorine, they form ethyl chloride and hydrochloric acid. Question number 34. How micelles are formed? Explain cleaning action of soap. Soaps are molecules in which two ends have different properties. One is hydrophilic and that is dissolved in water, while other is hydrophobic that is dissolved with oil or dirt. This unique orientation is called micelles. Since oil or dirt will be collected in the center of the micelles, is easily rinsed away and clean the cloth. Question number 35. In hard water, detergents are better cleaning agent. Give reason. Because the hardness of water is due to presence of calcium and magnesium salt. In hard water, detergents do not form insoluble precipitates with calcium and magnesium ions. Thus, detergents are better cleaning agent than soaps in hard water.